Well, good morning. This is Shelby. Welcome back to my channel. So many of you have asked how to make vanilla extract. You saw it in my pantry and I just keep getting questions on it. So I thought I would show you. Let me show the jar here so everyone knows what we're talking about. This is a big half-gallon canning jar and it's full of vanilla extract. And this is probably 4 times strength. You can buy vanilla extract single strength, double strength, triple strength, and 4 times strength. And this is really concentrated stuff. OMG. Okay, but before I show you how to do it, let me tell you what's going on with vanilla beans. About 80% of vanilla beans are grown in Madagascar. And they've been having some problems, a variety of things going on there. Most recently, last year, they had a big cyclone hit and it kind of devastated the area. A lot of people died, and it also damaged or destroyed about 1/3 of the vanilla bean crop there. So they were already kind of struggling, and then this happened, you know. So that is one of the reasons why vanilla beans have gone up 10 times what they were a few years ago. And an interesting fact, just so you guys kind of get the idea about what is involved in vanilla bean growing. It grows on a vine, and there's a flower that has to be hand pollinated. And then about 9 months later, they harvest the vanilla beans and then they dry them. And so it's very labor intensive. It is, well, first of all, it takes 3 years when you plant a new vine to get it to maturity so it'll even, you know, produce any vanilla beans. So we're about a year into this post-cyclone incident in Madagascar. A lot of the farmers and a lot of people have been planting vanilla bean vines, but it's going to take another couple years to really get to fruition. So another thing I just wanted to say is the vanilla, my dog's taking a drink back here. This house is crazy, y'all know. I'm gonna keep going though. Vanilla beans, their season is from mid-June through July, August, and then a little bit into September. So it'll be very interesting to see if vanilla beans come down in price. Because when I bought this pound of vanilla beans, it was about $35 to $33 something a pound. And it has gone up tenfold. So this is like $350 worth of vanilla beans currently. But I'm curious to see in the next few months if this crop, you know, relieves us of that enormous cost. And in any event, probably in 2 years, there'll be like a surplus, because there's a lot of people getting into the game of growing vanilla vines there because it's so profitable right now. In fact, it's so profitable that vanilla beans are more expensive than silver. Can you believe that? And because of that, they've had a lot of theft in Madagascar. People are stealing people's vanilla beans. Anyway, so I'll show you how to make the vanilla extract, and you guys keep your eye out the next couple months to see if vanilla bean prices start coming down. It might be a good time to go ahead and buy some. If they still are, you know, too high, maybe in the next couple of years, when the prices probably will surely drop because there's going to be a lot of vanilla beans coming to the market, that might be a good time to get into this. But in any event, let me turn the camera around. I'll show you how to do it, and you can bookmark it, and you know, whenever the prices come down, you can make your own vanilla extract. Okay, what you're going to need to make your own vanilla extract is a mason jar. I went ahead and I boiled this in hot water for about 10 minutes just to kind of sterilize it. You'll need some vanilla beans, and the type that you want is grade B vanilla beans, and you'll need some vodka. I use vodka. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these vanilla beans that I have left. This is all I have left. Oh my gosh, I can't even imagine how much money I'm putting in this jar with these crazy prices. But hopefully, you know, the next little bit, they'll start coming down. a lot of the big companies are really struggling, commercial companies, because they're having to pay the exuberant prices for their vanilla beans. Okay, so you just put the vanilla beans in the jar. I split them already to save a little time. And then you just fill it with the vodka. It's that simple. And then you just put the top on it, give it a shake, let it sit in the dark spot in your pantry. And when you're in there, you know, every couple weeks or so, give it a shake. The longer it sits, the better it's going to be. Alrighty. You just put the top on it. Give it a little shake, and it's just going to do its thing. That's all you have to do. Now, I'm going to share a couple other little tips with you once you get into this. This is the jar that I have in reserve in my pantry. And when I complete using a whole jar of the extract, the vanilla beans are left inside. I take them out and I'll put them on a paper towel, and I'll let them air dry for a few hours. You can take those vanilla beans and put them in your jar with your sugar, and it'll start making the sugar kind of like a vanilla sugar. And vanilla sugar in France is about $1 an ounce. So it's a good thing to do. You know, make the vanilla extract and then recycle those vanilla beans. I always do that. Okay, and then I just wanted to give you another perhaps solution in the interim before vanilla bean prices come down. This is a Mexican vanilla. I bought it in California, and you can see the price, I hope. It was $5.49. This is 16 ounces. And this might be a solution with the high vanilla prices currently. It's a different flavor than the Madagascar vanilla bean, but this is a good choice. It has a distinct flavor, and I really like it a lot. When I went to California, remember when I bought all those chili peppers and everything? I also saw this, and I got one, and I stuck it in my suitcase and brought it home. So that was just one solution to kind of get you guys through until the vanilla bean prices come down. Well, there you go. That's how you make vanilla extract. It's a very easy process. Typically what I do is I make it at the holiday season for the next year. And you know what? The longer it sits, the better it's going to get. It's not something that's going to expire or anything like that. It just gets stronger and stronger and stronger. And whenever I use like a vanilla bean in my cooking, I just put that pod either directly into my sugar and make like vanilla sugar, or I'll stick that vanilla bean into my dog's drinking again. I can't, you all know this house is crazy. I either stick it in my sugar to make vanilla sugar, or I'll put it into my jar that I have brewing to make it even stronger. So hopefully we'll see some relief in the next few months. And if we don't, maybe the Mexican vanilla might be a good choice for you guys. And in 2 years, I'm definitely, when vanilla prices start coming down, because all those beans will be coming to market, I'll probably make double just to have it on hand, because vanilla bean prices seem to be fluctuate a lot year to year. Anyway, guys, okay, I hope that helped, and I'll talk to you later.